Okay.
Pike, roll tacket.
Hold on. Okay, we're going to the high side. We were on the low, videotaping the low side.
Right. Hey, your masthead telltales are crooked.
Yeah, the cormorants sit on them.
Oh, okay.
And I don't fancy going up there to straighten them out.
No, I understand, but I was trying to steer for that and wondering where the sails were left.
Just steer by the sails.
Yeah. I was like, wait a minute.
It goes faster on starboard.
Something goes higher.